Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on midnight on dark theme on your Reddit app. We will go to turn on this mark on now how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture here on app, you would click, then it's going to show for you like this window. You just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here in this window, and all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on dark theme here in this window. Then it's going to show for you like this window. Just click here on midnight here, and like you see now, it's turned on with you midnight on dark theme here like you see. So that's all you have to do to turn on midnight on your dark theme on your Reddit app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.